The highest one is the one who knows what is right and chooses only in one direction. His choices, in fact, have already been made. In some sense, his life is just a continuous reiteration of his one unchangeable choice. Every time life asks him a question, every time he is asked to choose, he just repeats his one choice. Though in many names, in many forms, in many languages. But whatever he says, whatever he chooses, fundamentally he is choosing just one thing. That's our man. That's the one for whom this program is there, this session is there, all this late night bandobast is there. All for the sake of that one. So that such a possibility may inspire us. It is real. It is there for us to take. We are not looking at it or listening to it as some kind of fairy tale. We are looking at it so that we may be awakened to our own possibility, so that we too discover that we have the guts, the gumption to choose with abandon.